Product liability cases are cases that involve injuries that are caused by a defective product. It can be a defective seat belt, it can be a defective medical device, it can be a defective food product of some sort. Whenever manufacturers put any kind of product into the stream of commerce, they make certain warranties and they have certain obligations to make sure that those products are not defective. They can be defective either in design or they can be defective in manufacturing. The persons that can be held accountable in a product liability case start from the manufacturer, and it goes to anybody involved in what we call the stream of commerce. So the manufacturer makes the product, and he makes the product based on designs that are done by sometimes other companies. So it would also be the designers could be included. And then once the product is manufactured, then it's given to certain distributors, and the distributors then sell it to retailers. So anybody in that stream of commerce can be held responsible in a product liability case. The statutes of limitations that apply to product liability cases are the same that apply generally to personal injury cases. In the state of California, that would be 2 years from the date of the injury. Now, there are exceptions to all the statutes of limitations, and sometimes that becomes very critical when it comes to a product liability case, because many times people get injured and they don't realize that there's a defect in the particular product until sometime later when the manufacturer may be forced to disclose that in fact there is a defect. And at that time they can have a late discovery, and the statute of limitations, even though the injury may have occurred 2 years, more than 2 years before, the statute of limitations exception will allow them to still file the case.